Hello and welcome to Valentech channel. Today video is about converting some existing tool to something else, and the need of this conversion is to make tool what I need to remove bezel on this Seiko watch. More and more Seiko watches are coming to my attention to work on, and many of these Seiko watches they have constructed in the way that without removing bezel you cannot remove and replace the crystal. So I need to remove bezel not only on this watch but on many others. And I took a look for existing bezel removers on eBay, on Amazon, and online overall. And what I found is the one category is Chinese made bezel removers, and another category is Virgin or Horotech made bezel removers. First category is not that expensive, but within $50, and of course Virgin and Horotech they go above $300, something 350. So I thought maybe I can build my own tool which will allow me not to buy those expensive tools. And I thought about existing tool what I have, this one, and this is just movement holder. You can hold movement here to work on in this position or this position. I thought maybe I can convert it to bezel remover. I need to remove these 4 pieces. I need to make some kind of blades which will allow to go under bezel. They should be sharp, and I had these pieces of metal in my possession that I decided to use as first attempt to make this tool. So I made this cut over here to make this piece sharp, and it happened that the holes that existed on this piece of metal they matched this distance, so it was pretty convenient to try these blades first and see how it will work. And this is another blade, the same thing. I cut it sharp here, and I need to put it this way so they will be in parallel to each other. And I also removed this handle because it was not that powerful. Drilled the hole here, and I'm putting this bolt and end nut, so it will be not removable. Now I have much more leverage to use this tool. And now I will try to remove the bezel. Okay, it's already held by these blades, and I can continue to enhance the pressure rotating this lever. I can see it coming out. Yep. And bezel is here. So it works. But at the same time I'm going to try different design for this bezel remover. I located 4 discs, and they should be potentially new blades for the new tool. And then I'm going to brush them so they will be not that rusty, and also I will cut on the edges around the disc so they become sharp. Okay, so I brushed these discs, I made edges sharp, and I put them to the support. Now this tool is different but for the same purpose, and I'm going to try on another watch. And now I will use this support. It's very important that all 4 blades are touching case in the proper place, just under the bezel, like it is now. So when I made sure that everything in place, I can apply some pressure, and bezel should be removed. And it's removed. You've heard click, and you can see the bezel is detached. Over here. And the crystal could be replaced, and this tool works well. The same applies for other blades what I used, but this I think more powerful. It has 4 blades and more convenient for bezel removing. So that's it for this video, and if you like it, please give likes, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.